Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to quickly show you how to make a bow out of book pages. So I have a book that's about 5.5 by 9 inches. You can use any size book, but a little bit smaller than this, maybe if you're doing like a jewelry box or something. So what I'm going to do is take this and I'm folding it in half lengthwise. I'm just going to fold it up and then fold it over like this. So now you have all these sides are loose and then these sides are creased. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut these creases open all the way till about, I'd say about 1 inch from the center. I'm getting that other one too, like that. So now you're just going to cut this into thin strips. Again, not all the way to the center. We're going to leave, I'm going to go with about 1/2 inch. Okay, so I just like to open this and then I like to put my finger over the top of these creases so you don't rip them off. So I'm just going to use the edge of my scissors. Mine are not super sharp, so if yours are, don't cut yourself or anything, but you're not going to put a whole lot of pressure, just barely enough to just curl these a little bit. 2 or 3 times is enough. Sometimes one's plenty. I'm always in a hurry, so I tried to do 2 pieces at once and it really wouldn't curl. So you only have 2 layers here, so you just kind of have to keep folding these back out of your way. Does that sound like nails on a chalkboard? Okay, so I'm going to do this all the way on this side, and then I'm going to turn this over and do the same thing on the other side. So go ahead and curl all of your pieces. Okay, so now I have all the curls facing in the same direction. So now, and the curls are facing down. So now you're just going to take this and fold it back. And then fold it up. And then you can either tape or staple that together and take a little time to fluff it. If you feel like you need more, I did 2, and you can put 2 together to make a nice full bow. And then lastly, to add just a little bit more to the gift, you can take thin strips, this is the same size book, and just roll them along a pen or a dowel or a pencil, something smooth, and make some little curly clews to hang off. So just do this and then pull them to create longer curly cues. And we can tape these under our bow so that they stick out a little bit. So now what I'm doing is I've cut some more strips and I'm going to tape them together in the middle. If you have a paper cutter, it's easier to get them even, but because the bow is going to cover it in the middle, this is where I'm going to join the 2 pieces. So I'm just going to join them like this with a little piece of tape, and then I'm going to tape this one around the back. You might need more than 1 strip, or sorry, more than 2 strips, depending on how big your package is. And this is just optional. I just thought of it at the last minute and thought it might be cute. All right. All right, I'm gonna get this back towards the center. I want to make sure that that is centered. Take that there. Just trim the edge. Do the same. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm always moving things away from the camera. Sorry about that. All right, so now I'll trim that. Put it over. And I'm just going to pull this, take this here. decide how I want to tape this. Let's tape these two together first. What I'm going to do is just leave it open a little bit and tape it here and then bend it up. I think that's going to work better. And we can bring these up, glue them together, and then we'll go ahead and add our little curly cues to the side, however many you want. You might only need one or two. And there we go.